Okay, next another example, which is previous mains problem. Now the problem is a line AB. AB is a line. AB is a line. AB is a line which makes angles 45 degrees and 120 degrees with x and y axis respectively. That means alpha is equal to 45, beta is equal to 120 degrees. Then if this line makes an angle theta with z axis, if this line AB makes an angle theta with z axis, then z axis and theta is an acute angle, then what is the value of theta? What is the value of theta? Here given that AB is a line. This line makes an angle 45 degrees and 120 degrees with x axis and y axis. That means alpha is equal to 45 degrees and beta is equal to 120 degrees given. And this line AB makes an acute angle with z axis theta. That means gamma is equal to theta. Here theta is an acute angle. That means belongs to 0 and pi by 2. Then what is the value of theta? Now theta value. What is the value of theta? Here theta. Here we have to find the value of theta. Then theta is angle between the line AB and z axis. That means gamma. But we know that same result cos square alpha plus cos square gamma, cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Okay. Here alpha is equal to 45 degrees, cos square 45 degrees plus cos square 120 degrees, cos square 120 degrees plus cos square gamma is equal to theta is equal to 1. But we know that cos 45 value 1 by root 2, cos square 45 value 1 by root 2 whole square and 1 by 2. Cos 120 value, but we know the cos 120 can be written as cos 90 plus 30. Now cos 90 plus theta is equal to minus sin theta, which is equal to minus sin 30. Minus sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore cos 120 value minus 1 by 2. That means minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Okay. Is it okay? Cos 120, cos 90 and the sin 30 minus sin 30 value 1 by 2. Cos 45 1 by root 2 whole square into 1 by 2. Here square got 1 by 4 plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 minus becomes plus becomes minus 1 by 2. Now 4 is the LCM. Okay. Now 4 1 ja 4 1 ja 4, 1 into 1 plus 1. Now 2 ja 4, 2 into 1 2 minus 2. 5 minus, that means 4 1 ja 4. Now 1 plus 2 1 ja 2, that means 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 plus 3 by 4, that is equal to 3 by 4. Is it okay? Now cos theta 120 cos theta is equal to plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 2. Oh sorry, here cos 120 value minus 1 by 2, but cos square minus becomes plus 1 square 1 2 square is equal to 4 and plus now minus here minus 4 minus nothing but 1 by 4. Now cos theta is equal to 1 by 4. Now cos theta is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. Since given theta is an acute angle means in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant cos theta is positive. Now cos theta is equal to, take positive value 1 by 2. Therefore theta is equal to 60 degrees. That is equal to pi by 3 radians. That means the line AB makes an angle pi by 6 with the z axis. This is the previous mains problem. Okay, is it clear? Now Now another example. Another example. Now DC is of a line passing through P 2, 3, -1 and origin. Now DC is of a line. DC is of a line passing through this point and origin. That means origin coordinates of origin are 0, 0, but coordinates of P are given 2, 3, -1. Now a line passing through origin and this point. Now DC is of this line. Now DC is of a line joining or passing through given 2 points are given by this formula plus or minus x2 minus x1 by r, y2 minus y1 by r. Now z2 minus z1 by r, where x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 are coordinates of given 2 points. Here r is the distance between given 2 points. That means OP. That means under root of x2 minus x1 whole square, 2 square 4, y2 minus y1 whole square, 3 minus 0 whole square, 9, z2 minus z1 whole square, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 whole square, plus 1. That is equal to root 14. Now DC's of this line are plus or minus x2 minus x1, 2 minus 0, 2 by r is equal to root 14. y2 minus y1, 3 minus 0, 3 upon root 14. z2 minus 1 minus 0 minus 1 by root 14. These are DC's of a line joining the point P and origin. When the 2 points are given, to find the DC's by using this formula. Before using this formula, to find the distance between the points. Okay, is it clear? Okay, one more example is now if a line, which is very important, means if a line makes an angle alpha, beta, gamma with coordinate axis. Alpha, beta, gamma are the angle made by a line with the coordinate axis. And alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degrees. Alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degrees. Alpha plus beta, well, that is alpha and beta are complementary angles. Then what is the value of cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma whole square? Then what is the value of cos beta, cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma whole square? Okay, here alpha, beta, gamma angles made by a line with the coordinate axis. Okay, alpha plus beta is equal to 90 minus alpha, but we know that from this here alpha, beta, gamma angles between the line and coordinate axis. Given that alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 2, from this beta is equal to pi by 2 minus alpha, okay. Now we know that cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1, which is very known result. Now here alpha is equal to alpha, beta is equal to pi by 2 minus alpha, the cos square alpha plus cos square. Here beta is equal to pi by 2 minus alpha plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. But cos square alpha, but cos 90 minus alpha, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Here cos square means sin square alpha plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. But cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to 1. Now 1 on both sides cancel. Now cos square gamma is equal to 0, implies cos gamma is equal to 0. Now gamma is equal to pi by 2. Cos gamma is equal to 0. Here we want the value of cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma whole square. But here cos gamma is equal to 0. Now this value becomes a 0. Now from this, here we want the value of cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma whole square. That is equal to. Now this one is equal to cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos beta. Here cos gamma is equal to, we get here cos gamma is equal to 0. Now plus 0 whole square. That means 0 whole square. Now which is of the form a plus b whole square. Now we expand the a plus b whole square. That means cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus 2. Now before that, now what is the beta? Here beta is equal to pi by 2 minus alpha. That means now cos alpha plus cos of pi by 2 minus alpha. Beta is equal to, here alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 2. Beta is equal to pi by 2 minus alpha whole square. Now cos gamma is equal to 0. Now that is equal to cos alpha plus cos 90 minus theta sin theta. Now this becomes sin alpha whole square. Now a plus b whole square. A square cos square alpha plus b square sin square alpha plus 2ab 2 sin alpha cos alpha. Okay. Now we know that cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to 1, which is equal to 1. But 2 sin alpha cos alpha is equal to sin 2 alpha. 1 plus sin 2 alpha. Now cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma whole square is equal to 1 plus sin 2 alpha. Okay, is it clear? Now here beta is equal to pi by 2 minus alpha. Now cos 90 minus theta sin theta. Now sin alpha. Now expand a plus b whole square. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha 1. But 2 sin alpha cos alpha is equal to sin 2 alpha. And which is equal to 1 plus sin 2 alpha. Okay, is it clear? Now another very important problem. Here given another very important problem, x axis, y axis, z axis. Now OP is a line, given that OP is a line. OP is a line. This line makes equal angles. Which line makes equal angles with coordinate axis? Equal angles. That is alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma. This line makes equal angles with the coordinate axis. And Q is a point on the line. Q is a point on the line which is at a distance from the origin is 6 units. Q is a point on the line which is at a distance of 6 units from the origin. That means OQ is equal to 6 units. Then coordinates of QR. Here given that a line OP makes equal angles with the coordinate axis, that alpha, beta, gamma are equal. Now the coordinates of a point on the line which is at a distance of 6 units from the origin, or the coordinates of a point on the line which is at a distance of 6 units from the origin, or the Q of coordinate. Here we wanted to find the coordinates of Q. What is Q? Is a point on the line which is at a distance of 6 units. But we know that if a line makes an angle, if a line makes equal angles with the coordinate axis, then DCs of that line, DCs of that line is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3, plus or minus 1 by root 3, plus or minus 1 by root 3, plus or minus 1 by 3. Okay, is it clear? This line makes equal angles with the coordinate. Therefore, DCs of the line we know that plus or minus 1 by root 3, plus or minus 1 by root 3. That means L by M by N. Okay. Now this point is 6 units from the origin. That means OQ is equal to, let this one is equal to smaller. Now what are the coordinates of Q? Already we know that coordinates of Q are given by this formula. Q is equal to LR, MR, NR, where L, M, N, DCs of a line. R is the distance from the origin to the point. Here R is equal to 6. That means that is equal to plus or minus 6 into 1 by root 3, that is 6 by root 3. Similarly, plus or minus 6 by root 3 and plus or minus 6 by root 3. Now root 3 banja cancel. Root 3 banja, now 2 root 3. 2 root 3 plus or minus 2 root 3. Now plus or minus 2 root 3. Okay. The coordinates of Q are plus or minus 2 root 3, plus or minus 2 root 3, plus or minus 2 root 3. Okay, is it clear? Now, okay. ఇది DC side ds, only direction cosines and problems. ఇవి కాకుండా మీరు మెటీరియల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. వీ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్, ఏ డౌట్ ఉన్నా కూడా మీరు వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్లో స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి పంపించినట్లయితే దాని సొల్యూషన్ కూడా మీకు పంపించడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా మీకు వాట్సాప్లో పెడతాను, చూసుకోండి. ప్రాబ్లం రీడ్ చేయండి, ప్రాబ్లం చేసుకుంటూ మళ్ళీ సొల్యూషన్ చేయండి. ఎనీ డౌట్, ఏ డౌట్ ఉన్నా కూడా ఎప్పుడైనా కూడా వాట్సాప్లో స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి పంపించండి. ఇమ్మీడియట్లీ మీకు సొల్యూషన్ ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, ఓకే, బై, ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.